Today we'll make a Buttercream cake, which is actually honey cream cake, with chocolate shells. We'll need the following ingredients. First, we'll make sponge shells. Break and mix eggs. Put a stew pan on the water bath and put in butter, honey, sugar, and powdered cocoa. Mix well. Add in the mixed eggs before the mass has got too hot and butter completely melted. If you add eggs when the mass is hot, they may coagulate. When the mixture has become hot to touch, spill baking soda and flour into it. Make sure you add such amount of flour that allows the mixture to remain sufficiently sticky and fluid and would easily spread all over the mold. Separate the dough into 3 or 4 parts and bake them in an oven at the temperature of 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. Then get the molds out of the oven, let the pie shells cool down for several minutes, and get them out of the molds. Next, cut the sponge cake to make 2 shells. Next, we'll make cream. Whip cold cream for a minute. Then add in cream thickener and continue whipping until the cream is thick. Melt chocolate in the water bath and add cream by small portions while continuously stirring. Here the cream is ready and we can assemble the cream cake. Pie shells must be smeared with cream. And this may be called the end of the cake's preparation. What else we have to do is to grind the last pie shell, dry the crumbs in the oven, spread cream on the cake and sprinkle with the crumbs. Then the finished cake will look as follows. However, I will decorate the cake in a different way, and I will use the last pie shell too. I will put the cake into the freezer for an hour. Then take it out of the refrigerator and trim with the knife. The next step is the making of ganache. Put the stew pan in a water bath. Add chocolate and cream and stir thoroughly. If the chocolate has high content of cocoa, that is more than 70%, then butter should be added. If 50%, butter is not necessary. When the mixture has become homogeneous, ganache can be used. It had better be applied on the cake in 2 steps. The first step is to level large unevenness. Then the cake must be placed into the refrigerator for 15 minutes, and the second step is to level finer unevenness. While ganache is getting thick in the cold, let us take a piece of honey fondant whose preparation can be viewed in a different video and rolled out into a big flat piece on a piece of baking paper. Then use to cover the cake together with the paper. Take the paper away. Carefully straightening and pressing the fondant to the cake, stretch it over the cake. Then use royal icing or cream for cake decoration, whose recipes you can see in related videos, to make green, yellow and white roses on the cake. Lastly, let us decorate the cake with a dragon figurine whose recipe you can see in the related video. That is all. The cream cake is ready. You can see the making of other cream cakes in the cream cakes playlist.